Well, which countries are the biggest producers and consumers of nuclear power? The answers might just surprise you. Here's CCTV's Malini Wilkes.
When it comes to the country with the highest percentage of nuclear electricity generation, the International Atomic Energy Agency says France is by far the leader, with nearly 77% in 2014. Slovakia and Hungary are number 2 and 3, with about 57% and 54% respectively. But percentages don't tell the whole story. In France, total nuclear energy supplied in a year is 418,000 gigawatt hours. Slovakia and Hungary supply just a fraction of that amount, less than 15,000 gigawatt hours each. Some other notable nuclear power producers: the Republic of Korea is a leader in Asia with a 30% share of nuclear electricity generation, supplying more than 149,000 gigawatt hours. The U.S. has a 19.5% share of nuclear electricity generation, but it leads the world in total amount supplied with nearly 799,000 gigawatt hours. Russia has about the same share as the U.S., nearly 19%, but its total output is significantly lower, 169,000 gigawatt hours. Just 2.4% of China's power is nuclear generated, but the total amount supplied is nearly 124,000 gigawatt hours. That's the 5th largest output worldwide. Malini Wilkes, CCTV.